Hi, I'm Chris Potts. I'm the CEO of Monarch Therapeutics. We're an adoptive drug conjugate company that's developing therapies for solid tumor indications. And our technology is a spin out of the University of Pittsburgh. And we're a preclinical company currently raising financing to take our therapies through IND in 2026. My background is in the cell therapy space, coming from the legal perspective, with my co-founders the three of us having worked together for many years in the cell therapy space, building businesses. And this technology we fell in love with several years ago from the University of Pittsburgh with Dr. Jason Lohmueller and Dr. Alex Deiters, who are co-founders along with us to develop these therapies and this new platform technology that really has an opportunity to solve some of the key challenges facing solid tumors, which is multi-antigen targeting, dealing with tumor heterogeneity, as well as the ability to have tunable and titratable dosing strategies. So with this platform benefits, we really have an opportunity to drive therapeutic benefit to patients in disease indications that typically have very low therapeutic availability today, low chances of survival, low progression-free survival rates. So with our therapies, we have an opportunity to make a big change in patients' lives. With Monarch, we have the opportunity, along with my team, to join and create a new venture studio model. And my team and I really, as I mentioned, having built companies within the cell therapy space for over a decade now, we are really company builders and asset builders. So we're taking that skill set along with our current existing company and folding it into a venture studio model where we're going to create the gene therapies and cell therapy companies of the future, using our own funding and getting over the valley of death where we can take intellectual property assets from academia focused on underventured regions like the Midwest and areas outside of California and outside of Boston, and drive this innovation through to IND filings and patient impact. So we're super excited to be launching this studio and bringing our company building skill sets to assets that are really sorely in need of development. I'm so excited to be here at the Bullpen and at Bio. And really at Bullpen, the opportunity to be with like-minded people who are looking to grow companies and connect with people who are really here to help. We love the ethos of Bullpen of how can I help? And that's what we're approaching this whole week doing, trying to just meet people, connect, and figure out how we can all help each other to really drive impact forward for patients and in our own companies.